Hi all, today I am going to talk about how to maintain order of messages in an event driven system. There are certain cases in which you require ordering of messages from your domain requirement itself. What happens when you are trying to scale your system and you try to attach several instances which will read from same channel where sender is sending, then this issue arises. And what happens is that if those messages are out of order, then it's problem for you. This is kind of one of the most frequent and often asked question in system design. So we will try to find out solution for this today. Let's try to find out that what will happen in point to point channel case. So just imagine that you have a system which creates an order. It provides a mechanism to update that order and also cancel that order. So if you have a point to point channel where sender is sending messages to a channel and those messages are processed by a single receiver, so what will happen, order will get created, then order updated request will come, and then order cancelled request will come, which will go to receiver, and receiver will keep processing in the same order in which they have arrived. Issue arises when you have multiple instances attached to the channel. What will happen is that there is a chance that these orders delivered from channel in same manner itself, but what will happen is, suppose instance 1 got bit busy because of some garbage collection or some network delay, then there might be the case that order cancelled got processed first, but you can see clearly that order is not yet created, but order cancellation request is processed, which is not good from the domain. So what can be a solution for this is, what we can do is we can create a logical view of channel where internally we will create several sharded channels, and what we will do is we will provide a shard key, and using that shard key we will keep assigning messages to particular channel, and instances attached to that channel will process those messages. So let's try to find out that. Here you will have a shard key. So just imagine for the above case we can have an order ID, and that order ID, depending upon the shard key and the algorithm used by router, it will get assigned to one of these shards, and then further whatever instances are attached to that shard, it will get processed by there. So it will let's try to find out how it will work exactly. So suppose you have got an order ID 4, request is for order created, and we are using a simple modulo algorithm where we will do a modulo with the number of shards available. We have total 3 shards available. We'll do an modulo for 4, which we will get 1, and with shard 1 receiver instance 2 is attached. So order creation request will go to instance 2, and then again suppose sender again sends with the same order ID for order updation, again the same request will go to the same instances, and even when order cancellation request comes, again this will go to the same instance itself. So by this we can see that if for same order all the requests will be processed through same instances, even though we have attached multiple instances to it. So this will be kind of one simple solution where we can implement a plain ordering in our system, where we have implemented event driven architecture in async manner.